just want to do a channel update to kind of tell you guys how we're going to close out the year here on my channel. As some of you know who've been watching me for probably over a year, December is one of the most exciting times on YouTube overall and also on my channel because I do Vlogmas. Now last year I was working, so I did like the 12 days of Christmas, and I don't think it was too interesting because I was working and stressed out and all of that commotion. But this year I'm not, so I have a whole month to spend with you guys. I'm so excited. Vlogmas is the time that I most look forward to because I feel like I just get to interact with you guys on a whole nother level. You guys get to learn so much more about me because you spend every day with me. So that's what I'm going to be doing in December. Now I'll warn you, I don't live an exciting life. It's rather boring. I'm a low-key introvert. I like to spend time at home and go out on the weekends, but you guys will get to spend that time with me, and it ends up being so much fun. I love it. I love watching vlogs. All of your favorite YouTubers are usually doing Vlogmas, so it's just a fun time on the channel, and Christmas is my favorite holiday ever. You guys know I've had my tree up all year. We're gonna get to all that good stuff during Vlogmas, but hopefully it should be fun. I have a couple of parties that I already know I have planned because I have them planned every year. My parents will be in town for Christmas. My grandparents will be in town, so it's gonna be a nice time. We'll see how vlogging goes being around other family members because I'm not that comfortable vlogging in front of other people, especially my grandparents. They're like in their 80s. They don't really understand vlogging, but we'll see what happens. So that's what's coming up in December. I of course will be doing a holiday gift guide for him and her. I like doing those every year just to give you guys some alternate gift ideas if you have not finished your Christmas shopping or whatever holiday you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate holidays at all, you don't have to watch it, or maybe you will because you find it interesting. I'm also going to be doing holiday makeup tutorials and a holiday giveaway, which I always do on my channel, just to be able to give back to you guys, to say thank you for supporting my channel throughout the year. You guys wouldn't believe the messages I get from people saying like, oh my gosh, I love your channel, thank you so much, you helped me through a hard time, or just waking up every day to see a video from somebody if you're going through something. Like, you would not believe how you're able to touch people's lives even through simple things like discussing makeup, hair, or lifestyle. So I really want to let you guys know how much I appreciate you. So I'm going to be doing a little something to give back. I wish I could give back to everybody and do a meetup in everyone's city, but unfortunately I can't. So a giveaway is how I give back to you guys, and it's just going to be a fun December. I'm so excited. Like, people are starting to put up their trees and I'm just like, yes, you guys are catching on. I'm just really excited. I have so many fun things planned during Vlogmas, so hopefully it will be a lot more interesting than last year. I need to go do the Vlogmas intro and outro like this week, or by the time this goes up I probably have already done it. But that is what I wanted to tell you guys. That's how we're gonna end out our year, and then in January we'll start back over. So one thing I do want to ask you guys is, what content would you like to see more of here on my channel in the next year, in 2019? I know in 2017 it was all about skincare. I did an all about skincare series and you guys loved that, and I think that was very helpful. This past year I got more into luxury because you guys said you liked that, so I did more reveals, more unboxings. But I also know that that's not everybody's forte, just like skincare isn't everyone's forte. I think people subscribe to my channel for different reasons. So let me know what you want to see more of in the next year, because every year I like to kind of focus on something different just so that you guys can either learn more about me or anything. So let me know what you guys would like to see. I always have videos planned out. I have videos planned out throughout summertime, but I do like to get input from you guys. I know you like makeup tutorials and I am starting to incorporate them more, but like I always say, makeup tutorials take the longest to film because they're so detailed, and if people aren't watching them, like if a makeup tutorial gets 300 views, I'm not gonna really be wanting to do a makeup tutorial because it takes so long to film and edit. I literally have 40 minutes of footage on average from each makeup tutorial. So if you guys say you're liking them, I don't know, maybe you should watch them, because if you don't watch them, I'm not gonna keep doing them, and I'm just gonna be honest, because they literally take so much time, and I'm trying to spend my time a little more wisely in the next year. So just let me know what you guys would like to see more of, so I can incorporate that in the channel. So get ready for Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I just can't wait. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday season, because now it can officially start. And I will see you guys in December. Bye.